Good evening friends, this is Dayanand Nene. In this segment of Sahakar Sutra, we are going to have a look at the inflated electricity bills which the people of Mumbai have been receiving for the past couple of months. Ever since the lockdown was imposed on us, the MSEDC people could not come to your houses or complexes or buildings to take your monthly meter readings. So what they did was, they took an average of the months of November, December and January, and that average billing, they resorted to billing you for the 3 months of April, May and June. In June, once there was an unlocking done, they came to your complexes, they came to your buildings and took meter readings and sent you the bill. And when the residents saw that bill, it was a bombshell. It was a very hefty bill, and then people panicked. They started complaining, having received bills which were absolutely unimaginable. What had happened? Why the bills are so inflated? Why the bills are so hefty? See, as I told you, MSEDC had sent you average bills for the months of March, April and May. In the month of June, their person came and took the meter reading, and suppose your meter was showing a figure of 500 in the month of March. In the month of June, he must have come and saw that the meter reading was 1500. Your average billing was say 200. So for the month of April, they must have sent you an average bill of 200. May, they must have sent you an average bill of 200. And June, they had sent you an average bill of 200. So that makes 600. Now when they took the correct meter reading in the month of June or July, in some cases, they found that the meter reading showed 1500. So they deducted that 1500, from 1500, they deducted 600 which was already billed to you. Now remains 900 units. So what they have done is, they have sent a bill for those 900 units to you. But in the meantime, what happened? On the 1st of April 2020, the tariffs were revised. And they were revised by a hefty 20%. When we approached MSEB, they told us that the tariff revision is done in a normal course, in a routine manner every 4 years. And unfortunately, that 4th year fell this year. So, first they sent you average bills. Then that differential which of 900 units, for example, they billed you in the month of June or July in some cases, and that was done at the increased tariff, the tariff which was increased by 20%. So पहला मार आपको लगा है वो 20% एक्स्ट्रा तो यूं ही हो गया क्योंकि टैरिफ रिवाइज हो गया था, और दूसरा what mischief we can say or use the word MSEDC people have played or are playing. Normally, that differential of 900 units is for 3 months. So they should have divided 900 by 3 months, and then what the figure comes, they should have apportioned it to that particular month and billed you as per that slab. Instead of that, what they have done is, they took that figure of 900 and billed you at the slab of 900, which is the highest slab, 500 and above. Now, you see the tariffs. For units up to 100, you are billed at 3 rupees 46 paise. Then you are billed at 7 rupees 43 paise. And then 500 and above, you are billed at 11 rupees 41 paise. So, if your bill would have been apportioned for 3 months, you would have billed at the second slab of 7 rupees 43 paise. Instead of that, you have been billed at 11 rupees 46 paise. So as such, 4 rupees incremental has come here, plus the 20% has resulted in your bills shooting up, and shooting up tremendously. We had approached MSEB and requested them that you please defer this tariff increase by 1 year, because due to COVID there has been a lockdown, people are at home, many people have lost their jobs, there is no income, and they will be extremely difficult, they will be facing extreme difficulties in making payments which are so huge. What reply we got was, at best what is in our power, that is MSEB's power, we can give you an installment or an EMI for 3 months to pay the bill, to facilitate your payment of bills. But waiver of any kind or deferring that tariff is not in our hands. You will have to approach MERC Merck, or you will have to approach the state government. We have sent a letter to both Merck as well as the State Energy Minister, Mr. Nitin Raut. Our forum, Alert Citizens Forum, is following up on that. We have also sent via WhatsApp and Facebook a letter to all people of Mumbai who are using MSEB, and we have asked them to submit a form which is available to you in that particular post by clicking a link which we have sent you. It is a very user-friendly form. You fill in your consumer number and your latest bill details and submit the form by clicking submit. It will reach us. We plan maximum number of forms which we will gather, and then we will be seeking an appointment with the Chief Minister in the next week and submitting all the forms with a formal request from all the residents of Mumbai that in this difficult period of COVID, please help us. Thank you.